Hello everyone, today's menu will be cheesy zucchini casserole. This simple yet delicious casserole comes together quickly. So if you're ready, let's get baking. I'm using half of an onion and I'm just going to chop it up into smaller pieces. You can cut it as big or as little as you would like. And then I'm going to cut the tip off. Then slice the zucchini into a 1/4 inch round pieces. If you prefer, you can cut them into smaller pieces too. With a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, dump the zucchini onto the sheet. And then you'll want to spread them out. And then add in the onions. And then drizzle on some oil all over the veggies, along with some sprinkled salt, and then give it a slight mix. Pop it in the oven for 20 minutes. In a large bowl with eggs, I'm going to pour in the heavy cream. And then here I have garlic powder and black pepper. And then I'm just going to give it a good whisk to combine. And then I'm going to toss in the cheddar along with the Parmesan and also chopped cilantro. And then just going to give it a mix. Instead of cilantro, you can use green onions or fresh parsley. In a medium bowl with Panko, add in the chopped cilantro, Parmesan cheese, and good old melted butter. Then give it a mix, and then set it aside until ready to use. When the veggies are done, place them in a strainer and with napkins or paper towels, pressing them down to remove excess liquids. Don't press too hard or the zucchini will lose their shape. Continue this 1 or 2 more times until most of the liquids has absorbed. And then this is about 1/2 cup to a cup of zucchini liquids that came out. And then I'm just going to dump in the veggie mixture into the egg mixture and then give it a good mix to combine. This will take a minute or 2. And then with my casserole dish that I already sprayed with some olive oil, I'm just going to dump in the mixture. And then I'm just going to slightly spread them and flatten it a little bit. And then when it's smooth, we're just going to sprinkle in the panko mixture all over the top. You can use your hands or a spoon if you prefer. And then I'm just going to use my hand to spread them out a little bit evenly. And then we're going to add a little bit of some cayenne pepper. This is optional. And then it'll go into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Cover halfway through with foil. Here is the end results of the cheesy zucchini casserole. I hope you will give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest videos. Bye!